time. Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you episode 3 of my spring cleaning. So I hope this video gives you so much cleaning motivation because there's a lot to clean in this video. So let's just sit back, relax, and we're just gonna get on started into the video.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
So everything is looking so bare, mostly because I took everything down after Valentine's Day. And before I put any type of decor back up, which you'll see later on in my next video, but I wanted to make sure I gave everything a good cleaning because let me tell you, the dust in this room, it was thick.
Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why.
So clearly you can see where the candle was sitting on that towel floor, and it was definitely time for me to like deep clean this. So I'm just going to use some disinfecting wipes to wipe it on up and get it all cleaned up. So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new. But my name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, cook with me videos, decluttering, decorate, anything that's homemaking, I do that. So if that's something that you like, make sure you push that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you.
So I'm just cleaning this plant because honestly I don't think it's ever been cleaned. It probably has, like maybe twice. But anyway, so my dad, as you could probably tell, is walked through there, and he was just making some jokes, and I could not, like, I was cracking up so hard. But anyways, but I need to do some of the cleaning under Cooper's cage because any dog owner knows it gets pretty dirty. And of course this is real life. As I'm filming, Cooper just walks in his cage because that's what he does.
When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me.
So I made sure I vacuumed this carpet pretty good. As you can tell, I did a slow vacuum on it. I vacuumed regular, and then I did a slow vacuum on it like 3 or 4 times. I went different ways. I went sideways, long ways, just because I wanted to make sure that I got this carpet or this rug really, really good and clean. Because later on in the video, I am going to be using my Hoover carpet cleaner. And I just wanted to make sure that I deep clean this.
Right out of love. Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my
So I don't know about you guys, but this is how I have to deep clean because I can't move everything out of that room. So I just kind of clean in sections. So wherever I move the furniture, that's the section that I'm going to be cleaning and like, vacuuming and then mopping, and then I'll move everything back and then I'll clean that spot. So you'll see me do that a lot, but that's just how I've learned how to do it, the easiest way for me. And maybe that's a little trick or tip for you guys. If you can't move everything out of the room, you can just clean in sections, and it gets the job done.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to. That I don't really.
So I'm just using my Hoover carpet cleaner, and I just got it from Walmart last year. And I just wanted to make sure that I go very slow on this rug and also go different directions, because I just wanted to make sure that I got it good and clean.
Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games. but I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. Suddenly I want to walk away. I wonder will you ever.
So I just wanted to take a minute just to talk about this Hoover vacuum cleaner, and I just wanted to give you my honest review on it. And this is by no means sponsor or anything like that. I just wanted to let you know how I truly feel about my carpet cleaner. But I absolutely love it. I feel like it gets the job done. I didn't pay very much for this carpet cleaner because I was on a very, very tight schedule. The only thing is this. Sometimes when I vacuum, this is what I get. And I don't know if that's just normal for carpet cleaners. But other than that, I feel like how much I paid for it, it gets the job done.
I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. With you. I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. With you. Oh, what a life, oh, what a life I could have had with you. You.
So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you are new and you love this type of content, because I have more coming out. But also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.